Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your phone's fast charge protocol, because the charger must speak the same language. Once done, set the adjustable DC supply to 5V and limit current to 2A. This prevents damage while you test. Next, wire the USB-C PD trigger module between supply and cable so you can negotiate higher voltages. Make sure to attach a 2-3A inline fuse. You're now ready to make initial connections, but keep the multimeter close for live verification. Now you'll negotiate PD profiles so the phone requests higher voltage. First, wire the trigger module's CC output to the USB-C cable's CC1/CC2 correctly. This tells the phone which PD options are available. Then select the PD profile, choose 9V or 12V for most modern Android phones, and slowly raise the supply while monitoring voltage and current. Make sure the output stays within tolerance under load, and add a 100-470 microfarad smoothing capacitor, plus a transient suppressor to handle spikes. Finish by attaching the phone and confirming the negotiated voltage and charging current. View charge indicators in Android settings. If the phone does not accept higher voltage, recheck CC pin wiring and ensure the PD trigger module is set for the correct profile. Also swap to a certified E-marked USB-C cable. If voltage collapses under load, increase the supply current limit slightly, check for bad solder joints, or replace the supply. If anything overheats, disconnect immediately and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.